Today we are going to start with the secretarial practice, Chapter 1, Issue of Shares. A public company invites the general public to subscribe to its shares by an invitation through a prospectus. Now the meaning of prospectus is it's any kind of a notice, circular, advertisement or any other document through which the company invites the public to subscribe to its securities. The company also issues securities through private placement. In addition to that, it can also issue by rights shares and bonus shares. The issue of shares is in two stages. First, share application and its procedure, and the second, allotment of shares. Share application and its procedures are in 4 steps: to open bank account, to collect share applications, to classify the share applications, and to prepare share applications and allotment of sheet. Necessary for a company to fulfill the provision of Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956, the Companies Act 2013 and guidelines issued by the Securities and Exchange Board of India known as SEBI, SEBI, under Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992 for public issue of shares and other securities in India. The company takes help of various intermediators like lead manager, registrar and transfer agent, bankers to the issue, underwriters, depositor, credit rating agency, stock exchange, etc. to complete the entire process of public issue. The company secretary initiates the process of issuing securities with help of these intermediators by fulfilling provision of prevailing laws. And after the sanction of the prospectus from SEBI, the procedure of public issue are divided into 2. The first is the procedure of share application. Under the procedure of share application, the first part, opening of a bank account. Bankers to the issue are appointed by a company so that all transaction related issues can be done. The company can open a current account. For the purpose of public issue, the company opens a special bank account with the bankers to issue, which is known as escrow bank account. This account is opened by presenting a copy of the resolution passed in the meeting of Board of Directors with the documents. While opening this company account, they are assured that the share application money will be deposited in this account, and the total amount including share capital and premium will be transferred to the company's account only after completion of the process of share allotment. As per the latest guidelines of SEBI, share application can be made only through ASBA, that is, application supported by blocked amount. The money remains blocked till the share allotment is done. As soon as the allotment of share is done, the amount of share allotted is transferred from bank account of the applicant to the bank account of the company. The question of refunding the application money on share not allotted does not arise. Second is receiving the share application. Once the prospectus is sanctioned by SEBI, the company gives advertisement in the newspapers and publicly announces the period during which the public will offer and they can remain open for public subscription. This is from 3 to 5 days. All investors who are willing to apply for the share can get the share application form from share broker, sub-brokers, stock exchange or bank recognized for the process of ASBA. Now the investor will deposit the duly filled in share application form along with all details, signature and copy of PAN, permanent account number, to brokers who manage to deposit the application form to banks recognized for ASBA process so that the share application money can be blocked in the respective bank account of application. Now the applicant can directly approach bank that is recognized by the ASBA process and deposit the share application for the further process. No check are required for ASBA. It is compulsory to deposit the applicant form to any of the recognized branch of bank of ASBA process in which the applicant holds his bank account, because the bank requires to block the application money in this account, as we said before. Now the process of allotment is carried out after verifying all our process, that is the specimen of signature which we have done. After receiving the share application and blocking the application money, the bank informed the same to the registrar of the company, and only those applications of which the application amount is blocked are handed over to lead manager of the company by bank. Now the third is classification of share application. A statement of share application is prepared after receiving share application. Application with incomplete information are rejected. Application qualifying for share allotment are classified again into various categories. As per SEBI guidelines, applicants are to be classified as retail investor, non-institutional high network investor, institutional investors, employees of the company, that is if shares are reserved for allotment of employee of the company. As per SEBI guideline, it is necessary to reserve 10% of share issue for retail investor. Now here already we learned the opening of bank account, receiving share application. Now in this classification of share application only we are giving a brief history that when we are going to issue a share, then what are the process and how we are going to get the shares. Now if we come under any of these category, then only the share will be allotted to us. Share application and statement of share allotment. Now as we have learned about the category, now here the number of applicants received in each category is compared with the number of shares to be allotted. Now if the number of applications received in the category are more than the share to be allotted, then the proportionate allotment is done. Allotment is finalized in consultation with the company secretary, lead manager, the issue and representatives of the recognized stock exchange. A statement of allotment containing detail of name applicant to whom shares are allotted, number of shares allotted, demat account number, depository participant ID, etc. is prepared. Depository and depository participants are informed about the share allot to respective applicant, and share allotted are credited to respective demat account of the applicant. The price of the share allotted is transferred from the amount blocked under ASBA to the escrow bank account of the company. Applicants are informed about the share allotted or not through SMS and email by the stock exchange and depository participants. The company also informed about the allotment of shares to the registrar of the companies and SEBI. The company is required to complete the entire process from receiving share application to allotment of shares and listing of shares on recognized stock exchange within 15 days as per SEBI guidelines. The procedure of share allotment, meaning allocation of shares issued among application received from general public against share offered for subscription and crediting the share allotted to demat account of the respective applicant is called share allotment. The procedure are receiving the share application and blocking the application amount in the bank account of the applicant by recognized bank branch, that is ASBA procedure, and submitting the application to syndicate members appointed by the company for the public issue. Second is uploading the detail of the share application received, like name of applicant, class of investor, number of shares he has applied, bid amount or cut-off price, application number, depository participants ID, demat account number, amount paid, etc. by syndicate member on electronic bidding system of a recognized stock exchange. Details of application received later on are sent by the syndicate members to the registrar to the issue and recognized stock exchange. Application received are classified into different categories like retail investor, high net worth investors, institutional investors, and employees of the company by the registrar to issue, and a statement containing all detail is prepared. Basis of allotment among applicant for various category of investor is decided jointly by the registrar to the issue, lead manager, syndicate members, company secretary, and board of directors. According to the pre-decided formula of the allotment, the shares are allotted to the various applicants. Statement of share allotment is prepared by the registrar to the issue, and then it is sent to the recognized stock exchange, depository, and SEBI. Shares are credited to demat account of applicant by depository, and applicants are informed regarding share allotted or not, then through both are done by SMS and email by depository and recognized stock exchange. Thereafter, lead manager takes further action to list the shares on recognized stock exchange. Thank you, students.